Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jadhav and now I am going to present my presentation on segmentation, targeting and positioning. This is a STP. First one is a segmentation. Segmentation is identify your base for segmentation and determine the vital characteristic of every segment. Next is a targeting. Evaluate a commercial value and a position of your segment. Select a segment to be your main focus and any additional ones you would like to include. Third one is a position. Develop a detailed plan for positioning your product services in your segment. Develop your marketing mix for taking advantage of your segment. So second one is moving on. Introduction of the STP. Target marketing involves the identification of the most profitable market segment. Before businesses may decide to focus on just one or a few of these segments, they may develop product or services to satisfy each selected segment. Such a target marketing strategy differ from mass marketing, where a company may decide to produce the distribute one product to all consumer or from product differentiation where a company offer a variety of product to be large market. Marketers have been moving away from mass marketing endeavors as they are increasingly targeting smaller segment with customized marketing program. In this chapter shed light on the process of market. The next one is a definition. Market segmentation. Dividing a market into distinct groups with a distinct need, characteristics or behavior who might require separate product or marketing mix. Next, moving on, brief explanation of the topic. In short, STP is a marketing approach where you segment your audience, target the best fit audience, segment for your product and position your product to capture your target segment effectively. The benefit of the segmentation: by dividing the market into segment, marketing managers can acquire a better understanding of the need to want of customer. So this enable them to customize or to tailor the company marketing activities more accurately and responsibly to the individual customers. Linking segmentation marketing support business in meeting and exceeding their customers' requirement. It may also allow them to evaluate to competitors' strength and weakness. This may they could discover business opportunity to market not survival well. The next one is a where and when it is used. So spanning tree protocol STP IEEE 8021D is predominantly used to prevent layer 2 loop and broadcast storm, and is also used to network redundancy. It was developed at around the time where recovery from an outage that took for upward of a minute or more was acceptable. First one, next one is the advantages. Focus of the company. Focus of the company is a segmentation is an effective method to increase the focus of a firm on market segment. If you have a better focus, obviously you will have a better business. Numerous automobile companies have started focusing on small car segment. This is nothing else but a company changing its focus for a better return. Thus, companies base their strategy completely on a few segment, which increases its focus and profitability. The second is the increases in a competitiveness. Naturally, once your focus increases, your competitiveness in that market segment will increases. If you are focusing on a young star, your brand recall and equity with the youngsters will be very high. Your market share might increases, and the chance of the new competitors entering might be low. Then market expansion. Market expansion, geographic segmentation is a one of type of segmentation where expansion is immediately possible. If you have young market strategy, so on the basis of geography, then once you are catering to the particular territory, you can immediately expand to a nearby territory. The next one is the customer retention. By using segmentation, customer retention can be encouraged through the life cycle of a customer. The best example of this is a automobile and a airline segment. You will find major example of the customer like a cycle segmentation in the hospital segment, whether they be hotel, airline or a hospital. Next one is have a better communication. One of the factor of marketing mix which is absolutely dependent on the segment targeting and positioning is promotion and the communication. The communication of a company need to be spot on for its target market. Thus, if you need to target market, you need segmentation. Communication cannot be possible without knowing your target market. The next is the increases profitability. Segmentation increases competitiveness, brand recall, brand equity, customer retention, communication. Thus, is affecting so many factors of your business. Then definitely it affect the profitability of the firm. Do you ever see people negotiating in a Nike or BMW showroom? One of these USP of this brand is their segmentation. Then is the next one moving on is the limitations. First one is a limited production. In in each specific segment, customers are limited, so it is not possible to produce product in mass scale for every segment. Therefore, company cannot take advantage of mass scale production. Scale of economy is not possible. Product may be costly and affect obviously to the sell. The next is second one is a expensive production. Market segmentation is expensive in a both production and a marketing. In order to satisfy different group segment of buyer, producers have to produce product to various model, color, size, etc. that result into more production cost. In the same way, the producers are required to maintain large inventory for different style, color and size of product. The next one is a expensive market. Expensive market is a market segmentation also result into expensive marketing due to different groups of buyers and marketers has to consider.